Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of paper flower crafting. To begin, you'll need a few key items: quality crepe paper in your desired colors, sharp scissors, floral wire for stems, and a reliable hot glue gun. Having these essentials ready will ensure a smooth and enjoyable creative process. We'll focus on creating stunning, lifelike blooms that will impress everyone. Now, let's bring our petals to life. Start by cutting out various petal shapes, making some larger and some smaller to add dimension. The magic happens when you gently stretch the crepe paper, especially along the edges, to give each petal a soft, natural curve. You can also use a small dowel or pencil to curl the very tips, mimicking real flower petals beautifully. With your petals shaped, it's time to assemble your gorgeous bloom. Begin by attaching the smallest petals around the top of your floral wire, forming the tight center. Then, carefully layer the next set of petals, slightly overlapping each one and securing them with a tiny dab of hot glue. Continue this process, gradually adding larger petals until your flower reaches a beautiful, full shape. To complete your masterpiece, let's add some elegant finishing touches. Cut out a few green leaves and a calyx shape to attach to the base of your flower, enhancing its natural appearance. Wrap the floral wire stem with green floral tape for a neat, professional finish. For an extra touch of magic, a very light dusting of fine glitter can add a subtle sparkle. Your beautiful paper flower is now ready to display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.